Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teuna Classic LUNC. Now, if you invest about $100 as of the time of recording this, there is a possibility that you can make $7,000. Your $100 can return about $7,000 with Teuna Classic LUNC. Now, already the rumor, a lot of people have been saying this, and of course it is working gradually, that Bitcoin will return to its all-time price. Okay, now Teuna Classic, that also people have been saying this, once BTC hit back at its all-time price, there's a possibility that Teuna Classic will be hitting over 1,000 or 1,500%, because BTC needs about 100 or 120% to return back to its all-time price. Shiba Inu need over 1,000%. Now, Teuna Classic just need huge investors, big billionaires, crypto companies coming in to start trading, to start investing on Teuna Classic. Now, we are getting this picture where Teuna Classic market cap that has hit over 3 billion as of last year after the crash might be hitting towards 10 or 12 billion dollars if Teuna Classic hit over 1,000 or 2,000%, and that will also increase the burning rate of Luna. Now, there's a possibility Luna can delete about 2 or 3 zeros before the end of 2025 or 2026. Now, destroying this and Luna hitting 1 cent means 7,000% price pump. Now, if you invest $100 right now, you'll be getting about $7,000, which is a very huge return on investment. So I also believe those who also be investing on Binance, BNB, investing on Ethereum is trading at over 1,000, and I believe that in the next 2 years, Ethereum might be hitting about $10,000. So you'll be making about 1,000%. And with Binance BNB, you might be making about 1,500 or 2,000%. Okay, Solana there's a possibility Solana will return over 2,300% before the end of 2025, and there's a possibility for Teuna Classic to return about 7,000 or between 3,000 to 7,000% before the end of 2025. Well, let's hope for the best, and I believe definitely crypto industry will definitely make us proud and make us rich. Once again, thank you for stopping by.